Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make text message pop up in CapCut. Here are the steps to make a text message pop up in CapCut. First, open CapCut app. Launch CapCut from your mobile device. Tap the New Project. Start a new editing project by tapping New Project. Add the background video or image. Select a video or image that will serve as the background. Then tap Add. Let the clip load on the timeline. CapCut will load the media into your editing timeline. Tap Text on the bottom menu. This will allow you to add custom text. Tap Add Text. A text box will appear on the screen. Type your message. Tap on the text box field, then enter the text message you want to pop up. For example, "Hey, what's up?" Customize the font and style. Choose a font in the font section. Color by going to Styles. Bubble background by going to Bubble section. And size by adjusting those edges to make it look like a chat or text message. Position the text on the screen. Drag the text to where you want it to appear. For example, bottom left, like a phone message, or center. Now hit the check mark. Trim or adjust the duration. Set how long the message should stay on screen by dragging the edges of the text clip and the timeline. Tap the text clip on the timeline. Select it to apply animation. Tap Animation In. Choose an in animation like pop up, typewriter, fade in, or bounce in for a popping effect. So I choose pop up. Tap on it. Adjust animation speed. Use the duration slider to control how quickly the text appears, and then tap the check mark to confirm. Preview and export your video. Tap play to preview your effect, then tap export to save the final video to your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.